This conference will now be recorded.
Yeah. Manisha, am I clearly audible, please?
Yes, you are.
Okay. So we are supposed to go ahead with step number 17. So please take step number 17. Set tolerance limits for invoice verification. Invoice verification using OMR6. Using OMR6. Set tolerance limits for invoice verification using OMR6. Using OMR6. Please take down the path. SPRO, SPRO, SPRO. SPRO, SAP reference IMG, SAP reference IMG. Then material management, material management, material management. After material management, logistics invoice verification, logistics invoice verification. Then invoice block, invoice block, invoice block. Then set tolerance limits, set tolerance limits. Set tolerance limits. Logistics invoice verification. Then invoice block. It's taking time. Please do wait.
Yeah, no problem.
Invoice block. Then set tolerance limits. Set tolerance limits. So click on the clock icon beside set tolerance limits. Click on the clock icon beside set tolerance limits. Then click on position. Click on position. Write down very carefully. Give the company code 1000. Give the company code 1000. Press enter. Press enter. Write down carefully. Select company code 1000. First write down, then I'll show you in the screen. Select company code 1000. Select company code 1000. For tolerance keys, BD and ST. BD and ST. BD and ST. I repeat, select company code 1000 for the tolerance keys BD and ST. Understood, Manisha?
Yes.
Click on copy as. Click on copy as. Copy as. Write down carefully. Change the company code. Change the company code from 1000 to change the company code from 1000 to our company code, that is MMI1. Change the company code from 1000 to MMI1 for the tolerance key BD. For the tolerance key BD. Change the company code from 1000 to MMI1 for the tolerance key BD. Then continuation. Press enter. Press enter. Again change the company code. Again change the company code from 1000 to MMI1. Again change the company code from 1000 to MMI1 for the tolerance key ST. For the tolerance key ST. Press enter. Press enter. Click on save. Click on save. Press enter. And get the message data was saved. And get the message data was saved. Data was saved. Just we need to know the setting, that's it, because all these settings we will not do in real time. All these settings will be done by consultants, please. The next step number 18. Step number 18, automatic status change. Automatic status change for invoice verification. For invoice verification. Automatic status change for invoice verification. We have seen vendor invoice in when we discussed about accounts payable, vendor management, remember?
Yeah.
Okay, in here invoice is nothing but vendor invoice. Automatic status change for invoice verification using OMRV. Using OMRV. Please take down the path. SPRO. SPRO. SAP reference IMG. SAP reference IMG. Then materials management. Materials management. Materials management. Logistics invoice verification. Logistics invoice verification. Logistics invoice verification. The next, invoice verification in background. Invoice verification in background. Invoice verification in background. The next, define automatic status change. Define automatic status change. Define automatic status change. So click on clock icon beside define automatic status change. So click on that clock icon just beside define automatic status change. So click on this clock icon, define automatic status change. Click on new entries. Click on new entries. Click on new entries, visible? New entries option is visible?
Yeah, it's
Yeah, so click on new entries. And it says company code. What is our company code? What is our company code?
MMI1.
So give MMI1. Give the company code MMI1. Click on save. Click on save. Press enter. Press enter. Get the message data was saved. Get the message data was saved. Next step. Step number 19. Step number 19. Grouping valuation areas. Grouping valuation areas. Grouping valuation areas. Valuation areas using OMWD. 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 Manisha, even if you are not able to understand, also don't need to worry at all, please. Okay.
I understood, but for the step number 18, it's mentioned that automotive status change for invoice verification means what does that mean?
That you have to wait. Okay.
Oh, okay.
I'll explain. So grouping valuation areas using OMWD. OMWD. Please take down the path. SPRO. SAP reference IMG. SAP reference IMG. Materials management. Materials management. Then valuation and account assignment. Valuation and account assignment. Valuation and account assignment. Then account determination. Account determination. Account determination. Account determination. Then account determination without wizard. Account determination without wizard. Without wizard. Account determination without wizard. Then next, group together valuation areas. Valuation area is nothing but plant. Group together valuation areas. Group together valuation areas. So click on this clock icon beside group together valuation areas. Click on clock icon beside group together valuation areas. Click on the clock icon, group together valuation areas. Click on position. You can see the position in the bottom.
Yeah.
Click on position. Give the valuation area, nothing but plant MMI1, MMI1, MMI1. Press enter. Press enter. And here valuation grouping code, just give. See, valuation grouping code contains, look at here, plant, company code, chart of accounts. Visible?
Yeah.
Plant valuation area is nothing but plant, which is related to MM and production planning module. Company code is related to Which module?
Finance.
Finance module. Chart of accounts is with respect to which module?
Finance.
Finance. So valuation grouping code is the combination of chart of accounts, company code, and plant. Together these three combines will be represented as grouping code, valuation grouping code. Okay, so just it is MMI1. You can give your own 4-digit code MMI1. I'm giving MMI1 for my easy remembrance sake. MMI1. Click on save. Click on save. Press enter and get the message data was saved. Get the message data was saved. Get the message data was saved. Just be on the line. I'm getting call from my office. Okay.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, Manisha, I'm back. Hello. Hello.
Yeah, Jay. Oh, yeah.
Yeah. So next step.
Yeah.
This is basically very important for consultants. Now the step which we are going to do. Okay.
Okay.
So step number 20. Step 20. Define valuation class. Very important. Very important. Keep star mark for this. Define valuation class using OMSK. 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 Please do just I'll mention some points over here. Remember as it is, please.
Okay.
Point number 1. Let me separate this. Point number 1. Sorry. Valuation class will speak about the category of the material. Number 2, valuation class will classify the given material as raw material, will classify no, write like this: valuation clause is the basis to classify whether the given material is raw material or finished material, finished stock, finished material, finished material, finished material. That is final product. Final product can be consumed by the end users, consumed by the consumers. You know what is raw material and what is finished goods, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Not finished material, it is finished goods. Okay, right. Suppose let me take an example of car manufacturing industry. For car manufacturing industry, car will be the finished product, finished good,
Yes.
correct? Because that can be used by consumers. Whereas with respect to car manufacturing industry, iron is a raw material, steel is a raw material, plastic is a raw material, correct?
Yeah.
So that is what, so by looking at the valuation class, one will come to know whether the given material is a raw material or finished product. Okay,
Yeah.
right. So next point, important point, third point, valuation class will facilitate integration between finance and material management module. That is, valuation class will facilitate data flow between finance and material management modules, material management modules, material management modules. Okay,
Yeah.
right. So what is this data flow? How this data flow will happen because of valuation class? I'll practically show you. You don't need to worry. Okay, right.
Okay.
So, but here during this, at the end of this step, this OMSK path is same as step 19. Path is same as step 19. Okay, right. See, this is step 19, right? Group together valuation areas.
Yeah. Hmm.
Next, we are going to see
Yes.
define valuation classes. So click on clock
Okay.
icon beside define valuation classes. Click on clock icon beside define valuation classes. So click on this clock icon. Write down very carefully. Click on valuation class, visible.
Yes.
Click on valuation class. Very important aspect as far as concerned to consultants, also for finance consultants. Okay, write down. Select valuation class 3000. Select valuation class 3000 with color. Select valuation class 3000 with color. Select valuation class 3000 with color. One second. Select valuation class 3000 with color. Okay. Then 7920 with color. Select valuation class 3000 with color and 7920 with color. 3000 will speak about raw materials. 7920 will speak about finished products. Okay. Click on copy as. Click on copy as. Copy as. Write down carefully. Change the valuation class code. Change the valuation class code. Change the valuation class code from 3000 to MMRM. MMR. You can give your own 4-digit code, need not be MMRM. Just I'm giving MMRM. MM, first 2 digits of our company code. RM stands for raw material. Understood?
Yes.
So change the valuation code from 3000 to MMRM, and also change the valuation class code from 79202 MMFG. 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 We need to remember these two. MMRM and MMFG. Press enter. Press enter. Click on save. Click on save. Press enter and get the message data was saved. Get the message data was saved. Next step, very big step. Write down very carefully. Step number 21. Correct.
Yeah.
Step number 21. Create below GL accounts. Below GL accounts using, what is the T code for GL account creation?
FS00.
Oh, very good. FS00. FS00. Create below GL accounts using FS00. In that, number one, inventory raw material GL account under the head current assets. Under the head current assets. Under the head current assets. Number two, inventory finished goods GL account under the head current assets. Current assets. Current assets. Number 3, goods receipt oblique invoice receipt GL account under the head current liabilities. Goods receipt oblique invoice receipt clearing account. Clearing GL account. Clearing GL account under the head current liabilities. Number 4, raw material consumption GL account under the head expenses. Number 5, increase oblique decrease in stock GL account under the head expenses. So totally we are supposed to create 5 GL accounts. One is raw material under the head current assets, finished goods under the head current assets, goods receipt and invoice receipt clearing GL account under the head current liabilities, raw material consumption GL account under expenses, increase oblique decrease in stock GL account under the head expenses. Okay, right. So first we'll create raw material GL account. So give FS00 in the command box. FS00 in the command box. Press enter. Press enter. Click on assets account group. Click on assets account group. Right. Click on create. Click on create. Click on create. See, we are trying to create under the asset group, under the account group assets. In assets account group, if you see carefully, till 1,06,000 we have created, right?
Yeah.
Next available number is
1,07,000.
so give 1,07,000. 1,07,000. Company code MMI1. MMI1. Press enter. Press enter. Press enter. Then here select account group assets, nothing but current assets. Assets, select account group assets. Select balance sheet account radio button. Balance sheet account radio button. Balance sheet account radio button. Short text inventory raw material account. Long text inventory raw material account. Give the short text and long text. Give the short text and long text. Click on control data tab. Click on control data tab. Select only balances in local currency checkbox. Select only balances in local currency checkbox. Select only balances in local currency checkbox. Select line item display checkbox. Select line item display checkbox. Sort key 012. 012 indicates, remembered?
No.
Vendor.
Okay.
I'll show you. Because we purchase raw material from the vendor, right?
Yeah.
012 vendor. Okay, right. So click on create oblique bank oblique interest tab, third tab. Click on create oblique bank oblique interest tab. Field status group G006. What is this G006? Let us see. G006 is material accounts. Visible?
Yeah.
Material accounts. Yeah, new option I'm going to tell you. Select post automatically only checkbox. Select post automatically only checkbox. See, we have created so many GL accounts so far, but we have not activated this option, correct?
Yeah.
Okay, right. I'll tell you the difference. Why we are supposed to activate. I'll tell you after a few steps. But just remember, select post automatically only checkbox. Then click on save. Click on save. Get the message data saved. Get the message data saved. Continuation, not yet over. Click on create. Click on create. See, totally how many GL accounts we are supposed to create? 5. We have created first one. Second one I'm explaining you. So you must have taken get the message data saved, correct?
Yeah.
So continuation to your notes. Click on create. Click on create. See, next GL account, inventory finished goods GL account under the head assets. Okay, assets means same number series, right?
Yeah.
So 1 lakh 8. 7 already we have used, so I'm giving 8. So give the GL account 1 lakh 8. Give company code MMI1. MMI1. Press enter. Press enter. Give the field status group G006. Give the field status group G006. G006. Select post automatically only checkbox. Select post automatically only checkbox. Click on control data tab. Click on control data tab. Select only balances in local currency checkbox. Select only balances in local currency checkbox. Select line item display checkbox. Select line item display checkbox. Sort key 001. Earlier we have used this.
Yeah. For text and.
No. Sort key 001 is date. Posting date.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Sort key 001. Click on type oblique description tab. Click on type. You should not miss anything. Everything you should write, Manisha.
Yeah.
Okay, so click on type oblique description tab. Give the account group. Give the account group or select the account group assets. Select the account group assets. Select balance sheet account radio button. Select balance sheet account radio button. Select balance sheet account radio button. Give the short text inventory finished goods account. Inventory finished goods account. Long text inventory finished goods account. Inventory is nothing but stock. The other name of inventory is stock. You know what do you mean by stock, right?
Yeah.
Stock is nothing but I have this much of stock of
Like,
systems, of items, of materials,
yeah,
of
materials.
stationery. Okay, so
Yeah.
give the short text and long text. Click on save and get the message data saved. Get the message data saved. Continuation, not yet over. Okay, click on liabilities account group. Click on liabilities account group. Visible?
Yeah.
Click on liabilities account group and click on create. Click on create. Create. So till 2 lakhs 5 we have used. Next I'm going with 2 lakh 6. 2 lakh 6. 2 lakh 6 and give the company code MMI1. Give the company code MMI1. Press enter. Press enter. And account group, select account group liabilities. Select account group liabilities. Select balance sheet account radio button. Select balance sheet account radio button. Give the short text GR oblique IR clearing A by C. Goods receipt oblique invoice receipt clearing account. Goods receipt oblique invoice receipt. Goods receipt oblique invoice receipt clearing account. Goods receipt oblique invoice receipt clearing account. Click on control data tab. Click on control data tab and select only balances in local currency checkbox. Select only balances in local currency checkbox and tax category give minus. What is this minus? Only input tax allowed. Minus indicator. Only input tax allowed. Tax category give minus. That is only input tax allowed. Then select posting without tax allowed. This but GRIR is an activity. It is a transaction which might or might not attract a tax element. So select posting without tax allowed. Select open item management checkbox. Open item management checkbox. Select line item display checkbox. Select line item display checkbox. Sort key, give 014. What is this 14? Purchase order. We will come to know what is purchase order slowly. Okay. So give 014 sort key and click on create ob. Getting sufficient time to note down? Hello?
Yes.
Okay. So click on create oblique bank oblique interest tab, third tab. Click on create oblique bank oblique interest tab. Field status group. Give the field status group G045. G045. So what is this G045? Let us see. G045 goods oblique invoice received clearing accounts. Goods oblique invoice received clearing accounts. So field status group G045. Select post automatically only checkbox. Select post automatically only checkbox. Select post automatically only checkbox. Click on save. Click on save. Get the message data saved. Get the message data saved. Continuation, not yet over. Click on expenses account group, visible.
Yeah.
So click on expenses account group and click on create. Click on create. Create. And here give 3,07,000. Till 3,06,000 already we have created. So next available number is 3,07,000. Give the company code MMI1. MMI1. Press enter. Press enter. Give the field status group G003. G003. So let us see what is this 003. Material consumption accounts. Consumption. Okay. So G003. Select post automatically only checkbox. See, it is something looking like Greek and Latin, but slowly you will understand. Okay, you will have to wait, Manisha, right?
Yeah.
So select post automatically only checkbox. Click on control data tab. Control data tab. Select line item display checkbox. Line items display checkbox. Sort key 001. Sort key 001. Sort key 001. Click on type oblique description tab, first tab. Click on type oblique description tab. Select account group expenses. Select account group expenses. Short text raw material consumption. Consumption account. Give the short description as raw material consumption RAWMATCONSPN account, and long text raw material consumption account, raw material consumption account, raw material consumption. Why it should be created under expenses account group? Is there any logic?
Maybe because it will record the transactions related to consumptions of raw materials.
Correct.
So
When we are
can be
we are yeah, we are consuming raw material means it's a loss. Correct. Raw material
yeah,
value will be
yeah.
reduced. No? So that's the reason why it is under expenses. So click on save. Click on save. Get the message data saved. Get the message data saved. Continuation. So far we have created 4. Next, click on create icon. Click on create icon. 3 lakhs 8. Next number 3 lakhs 8. Give the company code MMI1. Give the company code MMI1. Give the company code MMI1. Press enter. Press enter. Select the account group expenses. Select the account group expenses. Then short text increase oblique decrease in stock account. Increase oblique decrease in stock account. Long text increase oblique decrease in stock account. Increase oblique decrease in stock account. So give the short text and long text like this. Click on control data tab. Control data tab. Select line item display checkbox. Select line item display checkbox. Sort key 001. Sort key 001. Click on create oblique bank oblique interest tab. Click on create oblique bank oblique interest tab. Field status group G030. G030. Let us see what is this G030. G0 change in stock accounts. Change is nothing but change can happen due to increase or due to decrease. Correct?
Yes.
Okay. So G030 field status group G030. Select post automatically only checkbox. Select post automatically only checkbox. Click on save. Click on save and get the message data saved. Get the message data saved. So we have created 5 GL accounts. Step number 21 is over, right?
Yes.
The point we have to remember is for all 5 GL accounts, we have activated this option post automatically only, right?
Yes.
Okay. So why we have to activate and what is the purpose behind activation of this? How system will react by activating this? We will understand slowly. We will see in later on steps. Next step, step number 21. Very important step for MM as well as for FI consultants. Step number 22. This step number 22 in real time during the implementation will be done combinedly by material management consultant and FI consultant. Neither by MM consultant alone nor by FI consultant alone, rather it is by both the consultants. Okay. So important. Hope you are with me.
Yes.
Okay. So this particular step number 22, is a very, very important step. This will be done, this configurational setting, this particular setting will be done in real time combinedly by both the consultants, consultant and FI consultant. Therefore, this setting is an integration setting between finance module and material management module. So what is that setting? See the step description. Automatic postings from to FI using OBYC. Automatic posting from to FI using OBYC. Right?
Yeah.
What is this automatic posting actually? See, if you have remembered well, we have seen cost center posting, right?
Yeah.
Expenses posting to cost center, could be salaries or could be rent or whatever it is. When we were processing expenses, if you have remembered well, we have processed the expenses using F-02 transaction code, correct?
Yeah. Yes.
F-02 transaction code is a finance code, right?
Yeah.
But that means we are processing salaries or we are processing some expenses in finance module. Whatever the expenses we are processing, that expenses processed are automatically getting updated in controlling module as well,
Yes.
correct?
Yeah.
See, actually we are processing in finance module, we are not processing in controlling module. Though we are
Yeah.
processing in finance module, the processed expenses in finance module are getting updated automatically, getting transferred to controlling module, getting posted to another module, controlling module, automatically, correct?
Yeah.
We are only processing in finance module, we are processing only once in finance module. Though we are processing once in finance module, that is getting processed in controlling module. This is what is called as automatic posting. Understood the scenario? Understood the concept? Hello?
Yes.
Okay, so automatic posting from to FI. See, the scenario which I have explained is, in case of expenses, I have explained that automatic posting from FI to CO, correct?
Yes.
But now look at the step description. Automatic posting from to
MM to
FI.
FI.
That means in real time, end user will process transaction in module. He will process transaction in module, and the processed transaction in module by the end user. I repeat, the processed transaction by the material management end user in a material management module automatically gets processed in finance module. Understood?
Yes.
So to happen like this, to to facilitate automatic posting from to FI, this particular setting is required. That is automatic posting from to FI using OBYC. Clear?
Yes.
So please take down the path. So SPRO, SPRO. Before that, let me open this GL account screen. Assets, expenses, liabilities. Okay. SPRO, SAP reference IMG, SAP reference IMG. Then material management, materials management, materials management. Then valuation and account assignment. Visible?
Yes.
valuation and account assignment, then account determination, then account determination without wizard, account determination without wizard, then configure automatic postings, configure automatic postings, configure automatic postings. So click on configure automatic postings, click on clock icon beside configure automatic postings. It will take some time. Yeah, as soon as you click on clock icon, you will get this pop-up, you will get this small window. Click on cancel, write down carefully, click on cancel, visible?
Yes.
So click on cancel, then click on account assignment on the top left, click on account assignment tab, account assignment tab. Yeah, see, you are able to see BSX here.
Yeah.
What is the description of BSX? Inventory posting, correct?
Yes.
Okay, so write down carefully, double click on, first write down, then I'll show you. Double click on transaction BSX, BSX, double click on transaction BSX, double click on that BSX. As soon as you double click on this, it will ask you to enter chart of accounts. Give chart of accounts MMI1, MMI1, press enter, press enter, press enter. Select valuation modifier checkbox, valuation clause checkbox. Select valuation modifier checkbox, valuation clause checkbox. Valuation modifier is nothing but company code. So select valuation modifier checkbox, valuation clause checkbox. So far clear?
Yes. You said valuation class is the company code.
No, valuation modifier.
Okay.
Okay. So select valuation modifier and valuation class checkboxes. Then click on save. Click on save. Write down very carefully, please. Click on save. Here you can see 3 columns, right? Right?
Yeah.
Hello? Yeah. So valuation modifier, give company code MMI1, MMI1, and valuation class. Did we create valuation class?
Yeah.
For raw material, MMRM, MMRM,
Yeah, I
valuation
got
class
it.
yeah, MMRM. The next account. Here write down carefully, account inventory raw material GL account shall be given. In this account column, you need to give inventory raw material GL account. What is the number inventory raw material? 1,07,000. Look at here. Okay. So in your notebooks, you need to write like this: 1,07,000 within brackets inventory raw material GL account. In your notes, I'm talking about.
Yeah, right.
Understood, Manisha? Okay. Next, again, valuation modifier MMI1, MMI1, valuation class MMFG, finished
Inventory
goods.
raw material GL account you said, na?
Correct, correct. Inventory raw material GL account. Inventory raw material. Okay. Next, MMI1, valuation class MMFG, FG only, right?
Yes. No,
MMFG only. See,
okay.
MMFG, finished goods, no? So give here inventory finished goods GL account. 1,08,000. 1,08,000. Inventory finished goods. You write the description within brackets. Inventory finished goods. Clear?
Yeah.
Click on save. Click on save. Press enter. Press enter. Get the message changes have been made. Get the message changes have been made. Changes have been made. Okay? Right. Next, continuation, not yet over. Click on back. Click on back. Okay. Right. Write down carefully. Click, keep clicking on. First write down, then I'll show you. Keep clicking on down arrow button. You can see down arrow button here. I'm moving my cursor on that.
Yeah.
You can see here. Also, you can see here down. Right now, write down. Keep clicking on down arrow button. Keep clicking on down arrow button till 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 transaction GBB appears. Transaction GBB appears. Transaction GBB appears. Understood?
Yes.
Write down carefully. Double click on GBB. Double click on GBB. I said double click, not single click. Double click on GBB. Write down very carefully. Select general modification checkbox, valuation modifier checkbox, valuation clause checkbox. Select general modification checkbox, valuation modifier checkbox, valuation clause checkbox. Select general modification checkbox, valuation modifier checkbox, valuation clause checkbox. Click on save. Click on save. Right. Now write down carefully. Can you first note down these columns in your notebook?
Yeah, just
Valuation modifier, general modification, valuation class, and GL account. Right?
just
Yeah. Okay.
yeah.
Right. First, I'm filling up valuation modifier class MMI1, 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 and MMI1 6 times, 6 rows. MMI1, 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 MMI1. You should not press enter while filling up the data, please. When you are practicing, you should not press the enter. Okay. So valuation modifier sequentially 6 times. MMI1, 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 MMI1. General modification. Write down very carefully. VBR. These are all standard codes, and I'll let you know what are these. VBR, then AVF, AVF, then ZOF, ZOF, then VAY, VAY, then VAX, VAX, again VAX, VAX, VAX. Okay.
Yeah.
You should write in this sequence only in your notebook. VBR, AVF,
Yeah.
ZOF, VAY, VAX, VAX. Next, valuation class. Against VBR, MMRM, MMRM, MMRM. Against AVF, MMFG, MMFG. And against ZOF, MMFG, MMFG. Against VAY, MMRM, MMRM. Against VAX, MMRM, MMRM. The next, against VAX, last one, MMFG, MMFG. Against VBR, raw material. Against AVF, finished goods. Against ZOF, finished goods. Against VAY, raw material. Against VAX, raw material. Again against VAX, finished goods. Clear so far?
Yeah.
Right. Next, against VBR, give raw material consumption GL account. Raw material consumption 3,07,000. Raw material consumption GL account 3,07,000. 3,07,000 against VBR. Against AVF, give. Have you taken first one?
Yeah.
Next, against AVF, give increase oblique decrease in stock account 3,08,000. 3,08,000. Next, against ZOF, same 3,08,000. ZOF 3,08,000. Against VAY, raw material consumption GL account 3,07,000. 3,07,000. 3,07,000. Against VAX MMRW. VAX MMRW. 3,07,000 raw material consumption GL account. Raw material consumption GL account against VAX MMFG. Against VAX MMFG, give increase oblique decrease in stock account 3,08,000. 3,08,000. 3,08,000. Clear, Manisha, so far?
Yeah.
You should take notes as it is,
Yes.
right?
Yeah.
Yeah, click on save. Click on save. Press enter. Press enter. Get the message changes have been made. Get the message changes have been made. Changes have been made. Continuation, not yet over. Click on back. Click on back. Keep clicking on down arrow button. Keep clicking on down arrow button. Keep clicking on down arrow button till 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 transaction WRX appears. Till transaction WRX appears. WRX appears. What is WRX? It says GRIR clearing account, right? Yeah, write down carefully. Double click on WRX. Double click on transaction WRX. Double click on WRX. Select valuation modifier checkbox, valuation clause checkbox. Last two checkboxes. Select valuation modifier checkbox, valuation clause checkbox. Click on save. Click on save. Click on save. Here, valuation modifier, valuation clause and account. Valuation modifier MMI1. MMI1. Valuation clause MMRM. MMRM. RM stands for raw material. MMRM. And here account, GL account should be GRIR clearing account. GRIR clearing account. 2,06,000. 2,06,000. GRIR clearing account. 2,06,000. 2,06,000. Click on save. Click on save. Press enter. Get the message changes have been made. Get the message changes have been made. Right?
Yeah.
Now write down. We have used some AVF, VBR, VAY, right?
Yes.
So please take down the abbreviations of that. What those code represents. Please take down. AVF represents goods received. Goods received for orders. Goods received for orders. VBR. VBR. Goods issue. Goods issue. Then ZOF. ZOF. Goods received without without production order. Without production order. Then VAY. VAY. Goods issue for sale order. For sale order with account assignment object. With account assignment object. With account assignment object. VAY. Then VAX. Goods issue for sale order without account assignment object. Without account assignment object. More than this, you should not ask, I should not tell. Right? Why I'm saying is, if we try to analysis more, we will be confused. Okay. Slowly during the practice, you will understand. Okay. During the real-time experience, you will understand. Okay. Right?
Okay, but
So
what does this goods issue means? I mean, I didn't get
I'll
that.
tell. I'll explain that. Don't worry. For that, we need to enter into sales and distribution module, SD module.
Oh, okay, fine.
Okay. See, if you observe carefully, have you ever ordered any product in Flipkart or Amazon?
Yeah.
You
Yes.
can see the track of the shipment, right?
Yep.
Okay, product shipped, product reached warehouse, product went for delivery,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Uh, just remember this. I'll explain that. Okay.
Okay.
Next, it is something related to that only. So next step number 23. Step 23. Continue in tomorrow session. Okay.
Yeah, fine.
Right. Yeah. Have a nice time.